Welcome back to channel. Today we are going to discuss visa policy, regulation, requirement, fees and processing time for India and Pakistan visas. For India, we can apply e-visa and stamp visa. For e-visa is completely electronic visa. There are some certain nationality only eligible to apply e-visa. And this is the official website for applying e-visa. That you can see India Visa Online, that is official website, and here we can see what are the type of visa we can apply. We can apply tourist, business, conference, medical, and these are the nationality are eligible to apply e-visa to India. And Pakistan actually not eligible to use e-visa. We have to apply through embassy directly, and these are the nationality eligible to apply e-visa from this portal. For applying India visa online, we need passport, minimum 6 month validity, photo, and there are some detail we have to enter, and we can make the fees online. And here you can see if we click e-visa, and we will get three options for applying e-visa. One is for 1 month visa, 1 year visa, and 3 and 5 year visa. Here you can see there is 1 month visa, and there is 1 year visa and 5 year visa. And for 1 month visa is double entry, and for 1 year is multiple, and 5 year is multiple entry visa. And this is a requirement they mention here, how long we can stay each entry. And this is a visa fee nationality wise. You can see here 30 days visa, and there is some travel visa month also they mention. From April to June, if you are applying, it will be $10 only for 1 month visa, and for July to March fees is increased $25, and 1 year visa $40, and 5 year visa $80. And there are some certain nationality this is free of cost. And you can see here before applying visa you have to check here what is the fees associated with the nationality. And here you can see Mauritius free of cost, there is no fee even for 1 month, 2 year and 5 year. And there are a lot of, even Myanmar also free. It's depend upon country bilateral agreement and their ties. It's just they are giving a treaty free of cost. As you know, for Indians there are some visa we don't need visa fee, and we just need to travel freely. Same kind of we are also giving some other nationality free of cost for the visa. And this is a requirement. Visa fee we can pay by card, credit card or debit card. There's option to make the payment. And yeah, this is the fee structure about the visa as depend on the nationality. And this is a normal requirement, advisory and normal condition for applying visa. And we can check how to apply the visa. This is sample details I will show you. While applying the visa you have to consider your travel documents. So I'm just here sample detail how to fill the application and all. And here select nationality and passport, ordinary passport we have to select here. And port of entry, there are listed airport here, there's seaport and airport. So you have to select which airport you are going to enter, and that airport you have to select here, and your date of birth and email ID and visa service. And we have to mention expected date of arrival. As per system will be notify us as soon as which date earliest we can select here. On that date you can select. Anyhow the visa will be valid from the date of approval till the visa validity as per the we are selecting here. And we have to upload 2 documents, passport, photo. Passport will be in PDF, and we have to enter some basic detail about our family background, education and work experience, family detail, and our travel detail, where you are going to stay and all. We just need to mention hotel detail only, and like that we have to process, and we have to submit the application and make the fee. And visa update you will get generally 3 working days. you will get the visa update in your email. So you can just take the printout of the ETA, then you can able to travel. So once we complete this first section, then in here we have to draft the application. We have to enter our detail as per the listed here. Are you watching my channel first time? Please subscribe. Now we can discuss how to apply Pakistan e-visa. Some certain nationality are eligible to apply Pakistan e-visa. Yeah, this is official portal, but unfortunately it's not able to open from here because of location issue. And if we are staying in another country, you can try to open this website. And this is also similar like India e-visa portal. We have to create a login ID, then we can apply the visa to Pakistan. There are some certain nationality, especially Europe, EU countries, and some other Asian country are eligible to apply e-visa, and some certain nationality eligible for business visa, and some certain nationality are eligible for tourist visa. For applying tourist visa, we need invitation from the Ministry of Tourism in Pakistan. And if you are going for meeting someone in Pakistan, then you can take their documents and invitation apart from the ministry invitation. So this is a way we have to apply Pakistani visa. And unfortunately, for Indian nationality is not eligible for applying Pakistani visa. We have to apply from Pakistan High Commission in New Delhi, or which country you are staying. In that basis of High Commission, we have to approach. Documents requirement, procedure, visa processing time, what kind of visa we can apply. We have to go through the official website, and then we can see what type of visa we can able to apply. On the visa service section, we have to select what type of visa we have to apply. Generally, for a normal visa like visit visa or tourism purpose, it's very difficult to get it approved in both country, and it's taking very long time consuming process. Here we can see what are the requirement for applying visa, and here we can check visit visa what is the requirement. There are a lot of listed document here is mentioned, and we have to download the application through the link, and we have to take other supporting documents so supporting our visa application. This is a list of documents here they mention. Have to take all documents, and we have to go through the New Delhi High Commission of Pakistan to submit all documents over there. And there is option we can able to book the appointment online. So it's the same system we can able to book the appointment, and visa fee is 120 rupees, and there's a deposit or credit slip. I think we have to make the payment on the challan kind of payment we have to do, and the slip we have to attach on the application. Like that the process. And here we can see how to book the appointment. Appointment is online system. We have to book the appointment as per the availability. So I'm just showing you how to select date here, and most of the date is not available, and February onward the date will be available. It means at least you need to plan your trip at least 2-3 months before, because appointment is waiting time for appointment is more than 1 month is taking. So accordingly you have to make the plan. Now we can check how to apply India visa from Pakistan. Go through the High Commission official website, High Commission of India in Islamabad, and here on the website we have to select here consular service, and in there we can see what is the visa requirement, procedure, processing time, and documents requirement. And here we have to select visa service, and here we can see what is the requirement for Pakistan nationality, want to visit India as a tourist or for visit purpose. The both requirements they clearly mention here. What is the requirement, procedure, what are the documents you have to take and processing time. And here you can see there are two options. Yeah, the first option we have to select, click here, and they mention here all documents. Application is online and we have to submit all documents, and there is a separate sender for India application submission in Pakistan. They mention here TCS Visa and Cherry International. There are Kerry International. So there are two application sender. We have to go through it for the submission. Same like other like VFS and BLS kind of things. That's outsourcing company for handling the visa application, and you can see visa processing time is taking 15 to 90 days. It's a very long process. And here they mention all listed documents, and more important, for Pakistani want to come to India, they should have polio vaccination. That is a mandatory document, and in that system also they mention here. And here you can see what are the documents and what kind of visas we can apply to come to India. All the information here mentioned here, and these are the cities are available for this sender for going for submission. Most of the cities are available. One is TCS Visa and Gary's International. These are two outsourcing agency to handling India visa application from Pakistan, and these are the cities are availability for this sender. Most of the main cities are available. For there are a lot of cities, both cities are available in both application centers. So this is a documents requirement for applying India visa from Pakistan. It's both visa is stamp visa. Once we need to submit all document, if visa is approved, then it will be stamped on the passport. India visa application for Pakistani is online process. We have to fill the application online and make the fee and print out the application, attach with along other documents, and go through the High Commission of India and submit over there. Like that the process will be complete. From here we have to select the first option, regular or paper visa for Indian mission, and apply here. And here we have to fill the application manually. Regular or paper visa application, select, and we have to fill the application, and rest all process same like the e-visa application filing. Only the process is different. This is not e-visa. Once we fill the application, we have to go through the normal process for the biometric, personal submission and interview, and visa will be granted on the passport. Like that the process will be going through. Hope you guys understand about the both country visa process. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and support. Thank you. We'll see you another video. Thank you for watching.